All right, Mr. De La Rosa, we're waiting for YouTube to get started. But are you the same one that's charged as failure?
Excuse me, Judge. That's not Mr. De La Rosa.
I got Michael Gonzalez. He's Spanish speaker. Michael Gonzalez.
All right.
Oh, we need Joel De La Rosa right now.
Oh my gosh. Okay, come on.
Sorry about that, everyone. Glad we checked it out before we went going, huh? Are you Joel De La Rosa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. And you same one charged with failure to identify?
Yes, sir.
All right. We're on YouTube Live. I'm going to call the case. And when I do, I'll show you some documents. I'm going to ask you some very basic questions. There's no trick questions here. We'll go ahead and get through this. The court calls State of Texas versus Joel De La Rosa. This is cause number 2025 CC 001894. We're here today for a plea. I'm conducting the plea using the Zoom application. We're also live streaming it so that it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in County Court at Law number 9 for Bexar County, and specifically in the Bexar County, Texas Jail Court. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Austin Alvord for the state.
Keith Engelke for Mr. De La Rosa.
Sir, are you the same Joel De La Rosa charged by information with failure to identify while a fugitive? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called Share Screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one is called the Defendant's Consent, the plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand normally we do pleas live in an open court, but your consent here is telling me that you are allowing us to do this by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waiver, I approve the consent, make it a part of the record. Sir, I've scrolled down to another document. It's called the Court's Admonishments. It's 2 pages. Are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 is electronic signature. It purports to be yours. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
All right. Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments, make them a part of the record. State, can you tell me what the agreement is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is a $0 fine, court costs 15 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to earn concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
Sir, is that your understanding of the plea bargain?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I do not have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Judge.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that? I didn't hear a response.
What?
If I don't follow the plea bargain, then I'll allow you to withdraw the plea. We'll go to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments and make them a part of the record. Rather. All right. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
I do, Your Honor.
You believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
He has.
You believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
I do.
Sir, the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
You understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, sir.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, sir.
Anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
Going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
I can't remember if I asked you, are you an American citizen?
Yes, sir.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. I find your plea is freely, intelligently, voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea. I find you guilty. Counsel, do we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
We do, Your Honor.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, there is not.
Being no legal reason, of course, we agree with the state, sir. I sent you to 15 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $0 fine. Court costs, they will run concurrent. I'll give you credit for time served and its judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. We'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
I
The
do
matters-
have one concern, Your
Well,
Honor.
what is that?
I'm not preparing my voucher. I was unable
We need
to.
to talk about the voucher on the record.
Okay,
All right. If there's nothing else from either side, the matter is concluded. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Engelke,
right.
I'll send you another voucher.
all right, thank you.
Yes.